Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into fabrication. 8 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Fabrication, which means the action or process of manufacturing or inventing something. Number 1. Production, which means the action of making or manufacturing from components or raw materials, or the process of being so manufactured. Production. For example, the production of nuclear weapons. Number 2. Manufacture, which means the making of articles on a large scale using machinery. Manufacture. For example, the manufacture of aircraft engines. Number 3. Assembly, which means the action of fitting together the component parts of a machine or other object. Assembly. For example, a car assembly plant. Number 4. Erection, which means the action of erecting a structure or object. Erection. For example, fees will be levied for the erection of monuments. Number 5. Making, which means the process of making or producing something. Making. For example, the making of the cars. Number 6. Creation, which means the action or process of bringing something into existence. Creation. For example, he embarked on the creation of an outstanding garden. Number 7. Construction, which means the action of building something, typically a large structure. Construction. For example, there was a skyscraper under construction. Number 8. Building, which means the action or trade of constructing something. Building. For example, a moratorium on the building of new power stations. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.